Hi, in this video I'll show you how to fix Python is not recognized as an internal or external command error message. To fix this error, first go to your Windows taskbar and search for Python folder. Here, click down arrow key. Now on this file, right click, More. Now choose Open File Location. Here, copy this path. And minimize this window. Now go to your Windows search bar and type Advanced System Settings. Open it. Now in this System Properties window, under Advanced tab, click Environment Variables tab. Under Systems Variables, select Path and click Edit. Now here, click New. And here, paste the path you copied. Paste it and click OK. Now don't close this. Now go to your File Explorer window. Open it. As you can see under Type, it shows here shortcut. So we need to find the target Python exe file location. To do that, right click on this file and click Properties. As you can see under Shortcut tab, there is another location for Python exe file. So copy this path, only the path. And click cancel this. We no longer need this one. Close this window as well. Now here, select path again and click edit. Click new and paste the path you have just copied. Now click OK. Click OK this window as well. Click OK and close this window and reopen it again. Now type Python space -- version. And now you can open your Python program as well. Now we saw how to fix Python is not recognized as an internal or external command error message. Thank you for watching.